So imagine we have our turtle file ready and want to see it as a visual graph. I'm keeping it super simple. I use this friendly, fast tool called RDF Playground. The editor isn't anything fancy. It doesn't have colors and stuff, but the visualizations are really cool. I just copy and paste the turtle file, the Lord of the Rings one we created in a previous video, into the text here and hit the graph button. At first, you see a mini graph that needs zooming in. But when I press full screen, boom, it's amazing. Look at the colors. We have purple and green. The purple bubbles represent entities, actual objects, things like characters and items, not strings. That's why RDF was born, to represent things. The green ones are literals, such as strings, numbers, or integers. Green bubbles cannot have arrows going from them to another literal or entity. Only purple ones can, which makes them the stars of the show. Look how simple the namespaces are. Instead of a bunch of long URIs, you just get ladder shortcut with what matters next to it. That makes entities like Legolas easy to read. You instantly know he's an elf. You can also see he owns a bow, and also you can click and drag the nodes around like they're little toys. Now, with a little magic from ChatGPT, I'm going to upgrade this turtle file, make it richer, adding more connections, and create cooler relationships in our graph. But first, do you know about this legend? It says that if you like and subscribe right now, a hobbit somewhere in Middle-earth will get an extra serving of second breakfast. True story. Check this now. Frodo and Sam appear really close together visually. That makes sense. They're both hobbits, good friends, and part of the Fellowship of the Ring. Their visual closeness perfectly reflects the deep bond and shared journey they have towards Mordor in the story. And here's something interesting. Gimli looks a bit lonely in this graph. He's friends with Legolas, but there's no direct arrow connecting him explicitly to the Fellowship of the Ring. Obviously, we know Gimli was crucial to the Fellowship. This kind of missing connection is exactly what we can find using Knowledge Graph Embeddings. Basically, these embeddings analyze existing relationships to detect hidden or implied links, like pointing out that Gimli definitely belongs in the Fellowship. Write in the comments if you would like a video about this topic. There are even more hidden gems here. Aragorn stands out with multiple identities, Dunedain and Strider, all literal strings. That's what ChatGPT decided and is definitely fine. Having multiple labels like these makes it easy to dig into complex character identities or explore who else might be known by different names or belong to multiple groups. Also, Frodo's sword, Sting, is specifically labeled as an elven sword. That makes it straightforward to explore connections like who else is wielding elven weapons, or what other special items crafted by elves are out there in our data. Another cool thing, which could be clearer if we had more entities, is how races cluster together visually. Elves like Legolas, hobbits like Frodo and Sam, and humans like Aragorn naturally form little groups. RDF graphs make these groupings intuitive, letting you explore interesting relationships without needing complicated queries. So that's how you can explore graph data using editors like these. There are many tools out there. Pick whatever fits your needs. Just remember, while a simple graph inspection won't build your entire app, it's incredibly human-friendly, and being able to see and interact with your data always helps. It clears the head. Stay here for more semantic web dives and drop any questions in the comments.